Hi guys, this is 2017 Toyota Corolla. So this car had a problem is traction control light is on. You can see they start the engine. You can see the traction control light is on. So this car had the problem is the bad steering angle sensor inside here. So when we ignition on, this traction control light need to be off, but this one is still on. So this should be going off when we ignition turn on. So that's why this one had the bad steering angle sensor. We have to first scan the car and have to check what's the code. So we scan the car, go enter, going to read the codes. So say C1433, it is a steering angle sensor internal circuit. Okay guys, I'm coming to the wrecking yard for get the spiral cable, the aftermarket one. You can see this car was an accident car. So they already took off the steering wheel. Then you can get this clock spring with the steering angle sensor. So we have to put the steering angle sensor for this one, but I got the wreckers one. Here the wreckers part, the steering angle sensor. So then after you have to check the data for the steering angle sensor. Okay, here the steering angle sensor. So it's saying minus 1044. That means the sensor is faulty, because when you start the car, okay, so when you turn the steering wheel, it's not reading getting changed. So it's nothing changed. So then we have to replace for the steering angle sensor. So we off the airbag assembly. You can see here we had a 19mm bolt in here. You have to off that one too. So this one I already off the battery. It's a 19mm bolt. We have to off that one too. Okay. Now off these two screws. Okay, here's the two wiring connectors. This is the steering angle sensor wiring connector. So I got the one hooks in here. Another one here. And another one in. Okay. Here's the steering angle sensor, the faulty one. Okay, here the recurse one. So I'll put in here. Okay, then plug back in. Okay, now I'm going to check the data. So when you put the key on, there should be in the traction control light should be off on the ignition. So, okay, again ignition on. So that's mean the light is gone, but I didn't start the car yet. Show you again. All gone. Okay, good. Okay, you can see the now steering angle sensor is the minus 10.5. You can see in here. So when we turn the, it's getting 0, it's getting middle. You can, when you turn it, it's changing. So okay, when you put the middle, this is the left side. We have to should be in 0. The sensor is middle. You can turn a little bit left. Okay. Okay, now it's 0. You can see it's middle, should be alright. So I have to put back everything. This one you should not be in the turn. You should get the both are together, the clock spring and the steering angle sensor. You not turn this one anyway, otherwise you can't find the 0 calibration. If you put the new one or the recurse one, should be again faulty, again could be in the damage. So make sure if you put in the recurse one, this one put it together, and the steering clock spring and the steering angle sensor. Okay guys, I'm going to check the reading. So I turn the left hand side. You can see the reading going up, 94. $260 plus Going more, one turn. So it's full lock. It's saying full lock 484. The minus, I'm going to steering wheel straight now. Then I'm turning for the right hand side. I'm getting minus. Minus 490. So the minus 490 and the plus 490. That's all good. That means all in middle. In this, came back to the middle. Okay, we are in middle now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.